Let's begin with the simple facts. Homeownership and investment in real estate accounts for 15% of the U.S. gross domestic product. That's $2 trillion. Outside of healthcare, real estate is the largest contributor to the U.S. economy. In South Carolina, the real estate industry accounted for $23 million, or 14% of your gross state product in 2011. When a house is sold in South Carolina, $53,000 is generated into the local economy. That breaks down as follows. $14,000 is generated into real estate related industries, such as land, development, salaries. $5,600 is spent on consumer items, such as furniture, landscaping, appliances. $3,300 is spent on remodeling within the first 2 years of the purchase. But homeownership is not just about how much money is generated in the overall economy. It is also about how much personal wealth it generates. A homeowner's net worth is 34 times more than that of the average renter, in spite of the recession. This is why we as realtors continue to advocate for public policies that continue to give access to homeownership, for public policy that makes homeownership both affordable and accessible. So how does that translate here in South Carolina? In 2011, South Carolina had 1.2 million owner-occupied homes. 62% of them had a mortgage. Over 500,000 South Carolinians claim the mortgage interest deduction. That translates to over $2,200 per homeowner in tax savings, in affordability of owning their home. But at the end of the day, homeownership is not just about the economy and personal wealth. Far more reaching is the impact homeownership has on our communities and our neighborhoods, in creating better schools, in encouraging more civic involvement, in promoting higher voter participation, and in lower crime rates. We, as realtors, are here today to protect what is at the heart of the American dream, not just housing, but our communities and our families. Our forefathers provided for accessible, affordable, and sustainable homeownership because it grows this country, it builds our neighborhoods, and it helps our families. We must as well. And that, realtors, is a simple fact. Thank you.